Chris here with SOS and Evans Plumbing. We're just wrapping up a remodel. We got a kitchen, full kitchen remodel. Open it up. There was some dividing walls here. Open it up, put in sliders, and a nice island, good size island. Got a bar sink over here, and a wine fridge, new cooktop here, and butler's pantry over here. We just did basically just removed and reset, removed and we're going in with new fixtures here, and then we switched and put the laundry room, kind of reconfigured the laundry room here. Just have a water heater in here, so we got a full-size laundry here. This nice countertop, and so they have more storage. It came out really nice. And then we're getting rid of that heater. We're actually donating that, and then it still works. And then we've got a nice new Navia in here, 248. This is the one with the built-in pump and our little mini expansion tank, which makes it really clean, real compact, clean, and that's a wrap. We'll probably be out of here in about, I'd say, within a week.